So hi guys, I know FMG is just a month away, and I know what you're feeling at this point. I have been through all of this 1 year back, and I know how overwhelming you must be feeling at this point. How anxiety kicks in, your mind goes spiraling, and you feel like whatever you're reading at this point, you are like forgetting everything, and you won't remember anything in the exam. This is what I was feeling exactly 1 year back, and I know every student having those kind of feelings at this point. And I know even negativity comes in, negative thoughts starts to come in, and it's okay. All I want to say is it's okay. Okay, like feel these emotions, let this month go. The only goal of this month is to revise, test, and survive. I would suggest that just revise, test yourself, survive this 1 month, and you are so, the half of the job is done. Half of the job is like to survive this 6 months, and the hardest of all is this just one last month. This month can literally break or make a depression. I am telling you from my own experience that this month you have to give your all in. This 1 month of preparation can take your scores from this to this. Okay, I've gotten so many DMs regarding asking me कि scores तक हो गए हैं, what should be revised at this point, and what mistakes like am I making, the scores नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं. I'm going to tell you exactly what you should be doing and what you should not be doing in this video. So watch this video till the end, and I will tell you what I should be doing, what I would do if I have to give this exam again. Okay, so without wasting our time, let's get started. First things first, I want you to avoid is no new resource at this point. Like nothing new should come in your syllabus. Whatever you have read should be read only. Like the urge, no, at this point we get an urge to, we go on YouTube and we see any faculties, no, quick revision video of any subject, and we have that urge to click, and like we are like let's watch it, like कुछ इसमें से मिल जाएगा, what if, इससे हमारा काम बन जाए. No, at this point no new such things. Okay, कुछ भी हो जाए, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच एनी फैकल्टीज रिविजन वीडियो एट दिस पॉइंट. कितना भी अच्छा फैकल्टी है, कितना भी अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच इट. ओके, इवन इफ सब्जेक्ट भी रह गया हो ना आपका, देन ऑल्सो यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू वॉच एनीथिंग रैंडमली. ओके, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू व्हाट इफ ऐसा पूरा सब्जेक्ट ही रह गया हो to cover. Okay, point number 2 would be like practicing lots and lots of MCQs. I have said in all of my videos that practice MCQs as much as you can, and especially in this 1 month. Like I how many GDs did I gave in this December? 4 to 5. You know what was my score in the first week of December ki GT mein? It was around 150 or 160. And you know what was my score in the last week of December? It was 183, which I took on Marrow national mock test, which uska hota hai, which is like completely free for all of the aspirants. And how did I jump like from 160s to 180 plus? It's not a miracle. Okay, I practiced like a lot of MCQs. I was solving 200 250 MCQs every single day. Okay, every single day. And I gave like 5 GDs in December itself. And this is like literally, if I have to say this one thing which saved me, is nothing but solving and practicing a lot of MCQs and reading the explanations like very carefully, not just randomly. Okay, like just to, for the sake of completion, or for the sake of reading the explanation. Number third mistake which I want you to avoid at this point is not practicing enough image based questions. Like, oh, I cannot emphasize how much important it is to practice image based questions, because you know what has changed in the past few years in our exams. The examiner is asking more image based questions. Like, you have to have a practice in order to solve them. Like I used to include like 25-30 questions every day in this December only. Okay, because you will eventually forget if you don't practice good. So I used to solve like 25 questions every day, 25-30 जितने हो सकते उतने every single night. And I made sure, like, I do not sleep without solving those. And it helped me so much in my exam. Like, हमारे एग्जाम में there was lots of question which were image based, and it literally helped me score good. So please have a habit of solving 30 to 35 questions every single day, image based questions. Okay, अलग से separately कोई भी एक पे करो, it doesn't matter, but you should build an habit of solving it like regularly. And like, एक आदत बना लो कि कैसे solve करने हैं image based questions को, and how to get to the answer. So number fourth mistake is like कि पूरा subject ही कोई तो रह गया है पढ़ना. नो, यू कैन नॉट गो टू एग्जाम लाइक ऐसा ब्लंडर नहीं करना है, ओके। यू कान गो टू एग्जाम विद कि ये सब्जेक्ट नहीं पढ़ा है तो इट्स ओके चल जाएगा, कितने क्वेश्चंस आ जाएंगे। नो, दिस शुड नॉट हैपन। नो सब्जेक्ट शुड बी लेफ्ट, ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट शुड बी ट्रीटेड लाइक इम्पॉर्टेंट। कोई ऐसा डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं है एग्जाम में, ओके। इट्स जस्ट थियोरिटिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चंस की, इतने इसमें से आते हैं लाइक, या मेजर के लिए है लाइक 30-35 क्वेश्चंस आते हैं मेजर सब्जेक्ट्स। बट फॉर अदर सब्जेक्ट्स इज नो सच डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कि इतने इतने क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, इतने नहीं आएंगे। तो यू शुड बी गिविंग इंपॉर्टेंस टू एवरी सब्जेक्ट। नो सब्जेक्ट शुड बी लेफ्ट, एंड ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि ये सब्जेक्ट बिना पढ़े एग्जाम में चले गए। नो, कुछ नहीं हो रहा है तो एटलीस्ट रीड आर कर लो उसका, ठीक है। PYQs लगा लो उसके, वो भी नहीं हो रहा है BTR कर सकते हो। लाइक मेरा भी था कुछ सब्जेक्ट जो ऐसे लाइक आई वॉज लाइक कंप्लीटली मैंने करा ही नहीं था, लाइक एनेस्थीसिया। इट वॉज वन सब्जेक्ट जो मैंने बिल्कुल भी नहीं पढ़ा था टिल दिसंबर। So yeah, मैंने BTR से कर लिया and it really helped me. Number fifth mistake is like how to cope up with the weaker subjects. So for me, how I would be doing is like for me, pharmac was a subject which was like I used to cry. इतना गंदा था वो मेरा, I could not remember anything out of it. So what I used to do is like I divided the whole subject into baby chapters. Like every single day, I used to revise Pharmac. Every single morning, उठती straight up revise Pharmac for 1 hour straight. और उसके उसके questions भी solve कर लिए तुरंत तुरंत। So उससे क्या होता है कि whatever you have read, like it gets actively recalled और ऐसे like apply भी कर लिया उसी time पे. So this is what one hack I use, like every single day उठते ही Pharmac पढ़ना है. Nothing brush भी किया नहीं किया, it's okay. But just read whatever you feel you're feared of. I was preparing, what I used to do was I used to revise two subjects in one day. If you can do, it's very and good. If you cannot do, it's still okay. Don't need to like exactly copy what I'm saying, but yeah, this is what I followed. For example, what I used to do is like if I'm studying surgery in the evening, I will study like I would be studying anatomy in the morning, so I can like combine both subjects and like understand both of them more deeply, and also like solve questions उसके साथ साथ में in the night. So this way it helped me understand the topic better, and also like as a subject को approach करना है, so like gets better. And another thing which I'm getting asked a lot is कि GT नहीं दी है तो क्या करे। चीटी दो जाके, ओके। ये क्या करे इज नॉट अ क्वेश्चन। यू एट दिस पॉइंट यू कैन नॉट सी कि चीटी नहीं दी है अब क्या करे, ऐसे एग्जाम में जाके नहीं बैठना। यू हैव टू लाइक प्रैक्टिस 4-5 GTs एटलीस्ट कुछ नहीं किया तो एटलीस्ट टू दिस मच लाइक 4-5 GTs देके जाओ। ऐसे ही यू कैन नॉट गो इन टू एग्जाम फॉर फ्रॉम लाइक अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स वेरी ह्यूज मिस्टेक, ओके। एंड ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ दे के छोड़ देनी, यू हैव टू रिव्यू दो GT एज वेल. Don't just give GT and bus sake of giving GT. And to the ones who are asking me how to stay motivated and consistent to this 1 month, my answer to that question would be like मन मार के कैसे भी studying for this 1 month consistently would be much more better than like crying for the next 6 months and like giving another attempt. At this you point you cannot say कि मन नहीं कर रहा है, नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं, देखिए दिस इज ऑल एन एक्सक्यूज। ये सब कुछ एक्सक्यूज है। यू हैव टू स्टडी, अपने आप को समझा दो कि एक ही महीना है, एंड द ओनली थिंग यू आई सेड कि तुमको करना है विच इज रिवाइज, टेस्ट एंड सर्वाइव, विच इज एक ही चीज तुम्हें इस पूरे मंथ में करना है, विच इज रिवाइज, टेस्ट एंड सर्वाइव, दैट्स इट। ये महीना निकाल लिया मीन्स हाफ द जॉब इज डन, यू आर ऑलमोस्ट पास्ट, ओके। एंड जो ये नेगेटिव थॉट्स आते हैं ना, उसके लिए आई एम टेलिंग यू समथिंग कि क्या करो, every day when you wake up now, just imagine yourself like you have passed exam. Imagine yourself that you have gotten the scores which you were manifesting. Manifest करो कि you have like you have reached there, you have had that pass in your उसके अपने नाम के आगे, and just imagine that this is happening, already happened. This was something which I used to do every single day morning, उठते straight up. So yeah, you can also try, it might help you, it might make you feel better also. And overthinking जब होती है तब क्या करना है, this is something which I used to do. I used to write, small cute notes to my future self, like as a manifestation note बोलो या कुछ भी बोलो कि you have done so much, कुछ भी like कुछ भी whatever you feel उस point पे लिख दो, ठीक है। Just write it out and manifest for yourself. So I'll just show you what I wrote for myself. Like this is my note which I wrote for myself. And you can see the day also, like it's on 8th of December. This was the day which I really felt low. I almost felt like I'll give up today. I cried so much, and मेरा ऐसी habit भी नहीं कि I'll share my problems with anyone. I share my problems only and only with God. Okay. This really helped me, like writing out, I I vented out whatever I was feeling at that point, and I also manifested myself this. Okay, I'll pass and you will pass. You have done enough, you have read enough, you are giving your best all, you're giving your best already. So I hope this technique helps you, and also if you have any doubts, you can comment down on this video. And for the ones asking me how to contact me other than Instagram, I am working on that. I am planning to make a group on WhatsApp or Telegram, whichever is more convenient. Okay, if yeah, if everyone's interested, you can make it. And also, in the end, I want to say, please do not lose hope. Okay, don't doubt yourself. Keep believing in the system, on the source, and just keep revising. Okay, stay consistent for this 1 month, and I know you will pass. Nobody can stop you from that. Just keep your intentions and pure consistency on top. That's it. That is what you need to do in this one last month. Nothing extra. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.